Right. That's cool. Yeah, a little bit. That is a cool old school Harley. That's a classy one. I don't know, I feel like Harleys go over the top way too often, but like that's a cool one. I like that. Oh, that's gonna cause a mess when this light turns green. Yeesh. The only reason I cut ahead was I saw that other car next to me was pulling up. I figured, well, if that guy decides to turn anyways, at least I got a human shield ahead of me. Eesh. Man, I hate it when that happens. What is going on? Why are there so many birds? There's got to be something dead over here. Alright, hang on. What in the hell is going on? Like, is there something over here? Like, I have never seen that many birds just circling an area like this before. I don't smell anything. Like, they're circling this area right here. I still don't smell anything rotting. There's just a lot of birds circling this area. That is weirding me out. Okay, there's a vulture sitting on top of that unfit... Alright, yeah, there's something dead in that dumpster. 100%. Well, I got to do a little bit of what I wanted to do this summer. I got to make one of the motorcycle trips I wanted to do. So, I would say that's not bad, but I had two pretty big trips that I was going to take one of the other. And I had like 5 littler trips I wanted to take sprinkled throughout, but as per the update video, I was just without a bike for like 4 weeks, so. And this white van behind me just does not think that speed limits apply to them. Like, I'm already going high enough over the speed limit that I'm probably going to get pulled over. And this guy is riding my butt. Oh no. Oh, wait, no. It's them who's... Okay, right. Yeah, right. But I was like, oh no, the Miyagi's moving. Say Mr. Miyagi, because I remember when I used to go on this road all the time for church, I'd always look off to the left there and I'd see like a row of bonsai trees and like a bunch of bamboo and some old cars, and I'm like, that is Mr. Miyagi's house, just transplanted in North Carolina for no apparent reason. Like, even to the extent where then one day there was a fence, and then one day the fence was painted. Like, okay, seriously, what is this Karate Kid nonsense? I hate it when I do that. I still have a bad habit of putting my wrist forward like that and then grabbing the throttle. When I first started to ride, that felt more normal, and I've been teaching myself that that is an absolutely fantastic way to kill yourself. What's up, Fran? Okay, let's see about throwing away this bottle and getting on my way. Oh, squeeze, Matthew. Squeeze it into your armpit. Oh, squeeze it into your armpit. Jesus, that is slipping a lot. Okay, come on. Squeeze. Squeeze. Up, 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 up. Fucking hell. So close. Can I reach it? Haha. Success. Did I just get a text? I think my phone just yelled at me. What? Who disturbs my ride? Scotty Kilmer. I'll say though, Scotty Kilmer has got to be the most prolific creator that I am subscribed to on YouTube. I gotta remember to like disable all my notifications for him because he does so much. He does like 4 videos a day. And like he does 2 live streams a week, I think. It's insane. That is like the hardest working man that I like know of on the channel, or know of on YouTube. It's crazy. If you don't know who I'm talking about, it's it's this guy. I'll throw up his image on the screen. He's like an old mechanic guy who just yells about, you know, why people are idiots. It's basically it. 9 times out of 10, like, even his titles and stuff say, like, don't do this or you're stupid, stuff like that. It's fantastic, though, and, I mean, he gives good advice. I mean, I can't knock any of it.